Hi guys, what are the benefits of journaling? There are so many different benefits to journaling. I've been journaling for over 14 years of my life, and it has been an integral part of my own self-development. Journaling helps to decrease depression and anxiety. It helps you with emotional releases, to stay focused on your goals and aims, gives you inspiration, and gives you ideas of what you desire to do. Also, writing out what you're grateful for boosts your immune system. It grounds you into your body, brings you into the present moment, and allows you to see the world from the eyes of love instead of from the eyes of fear. Stay till the end where I'm going to show you how to journal. There are different ways of journaling, and see which one best suits you. Personally, the benefits that I've received from journaling are countless, other than the ones that I mentioned. It has helped me to realize my emotions, become aware of my emotions, and to identify the negative thoughts in my mind and to replace them with positive ones. Looking back at my journals, I have been able to understand myself more and to become aware of how I did not value myself enough. So it allows you to understand how far you've come on your journey and where you can boost yourself up, and to say, you know what I know, my wisdom, my knowledge is so valuable, and I would like to share it with the world. A lot of the illnesses, diseases out there nowadays, it's connected to emotional things. And so by writing out something painful, by writing out what is no longer serving you, a limiting belief, you can not only help yourself on the emotional level, but you can bring balance to your physical body. Journaling is like a meditative practice. It's a practice of returning back to yourself, feeling into what's alive for you. And by doing that, you ground back into your body. You align to your truth. You align to your heart's energy. Nowadays, a lot of people are not aware of that they are distracting themselves from truly facing themselves, facing their emotions. And what happens over a long period of time, they're hit with some sort of mental or physical imbalance, a disease, and that can be originated from the lack of awareness of their own body, their own emotions. And so journaling allows you to come back to you. When I write out things that are bothering me, it's a form of release. Journaling is like your friend. Journaling is a refuge for yourself, away from the world, and it can really bring so much love. It's a self-love, a self-care kind of practice. So what are the different ways of journaling? The first way is to do free writing. Free writing is allowing yourself to write anything that comes to mind. Absolutely anything. It could be what you're going to do today, something that bothered you last week or yesterday, whatever it may be, to write it out for about 5 minutes, placing a timer. A second way is to, and personally I do this, I just allow myself to feel into my body, to feel into what feels alive for me, and to write it out. It might have been a dream that came through for me last night. It could be an emotion that's coming up. It also could be any ideas, inspirations that I want to share with the world. I do goal setting through this way when I journal, and it really keeps you accountable, or it keeps you aware of what you'd like to do. So another way is to also take out cards from an oracle card deck. So I have this rose card deck here, and what I do is just place intention to receive guidance. So creating that intention within your mind, I would like to receive guidance about the situation, or just general guidance within your mind's eye. And then you could shuffle the cards, you can tap on them 3 times to clear the energy, and then shuffling the cards and keeping your eyes closed to really connect to that intention, and then taking a card out. And then according to that card that you take out, you then journal about it, and then you can also read the booklet that comes with it. That will also help you to gain insight about what the card is about. So that's another way. A third way is to follow journal prompts. I have a couple of journal prompts linked down below, so you can check those out. Those are inner child and shadow prompts if you really want to get into the deep journaling. They could be simple prompts like, what are you feeling today? What would you like to create today? What would you like to create in the next couple of months? It could be anything, really. So you can look up those journal prompts online, and it will help you with journaling. And discover more about yourself. through that way. And if you're curious about the message here, is saying codes of the seeds, the blueprint is within you, take the next step. So here I already feel in resonance to this card the need to create, the need to start putting myself out there. And it can mean so much more, you know, looking at the picture, using your intuition to understand it, and then writing out is a powerful practice as well. It will also help you with improving your eloquence. It will allow you to become more aware of your thoughts, yourself, on so many levels, as well as becoming aware of the world. It is a meditation in a way. It is a refuge for yourself and to allow any emotions in any spectrum that they are to be expressed through writing. I've been so passionate about journaling for so long, and sharing this with the world is so important for me because I know how deeply it has impacted my life. And as you could see here, I'm going to place a picture of how many journals I have to see the progress of my writing, to see how much better I write and how more in tune that I am with myself. And if you like me to share about what I write in my journal, feel free to comment below. I would be happy to share. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.